always wanted. Rough Country Soft Tops give you the absolute best bang for your buck. Our lightning fast install process helps you get your Rough Country Soft Top up and running in just minutes. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and make sure you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, lay the fabric on the rear of the Jeep with the backing side up. Install the header to the fabric using the factory screws. Start with the center hole and work to the outside. Raise the header slightly to work the pockets in the fabric over the corners of the header, and install the factory corner screws to secure the fabric to the header corners. Raise the rear bow, draping the fabric over it, and snap the fabric to the bow. Place the header on the windshield frame and secure with the factory header latches. Pull down on the rear corner of the fabric and connect to the rear retaining slots. Wrap the hook and loop flap inside the top around the center bow and fasten it to itself. Attach the rear quarter window with the zipper starting at the top. Pull the zipper about halfway down the top side only and insert the front quarter panel window plastic into the front door jamb retainer. Now finish pulling the zipper all the way around the quarter window. Locate the channel above the front doors on the top door jamb. Roll the plastic strip built into the top fabric in the channel above the top of the door jamb by pulling down and folding in. Pull down on the quarter panel window and fasten the fabric to the retainer channel. Insert the tailgate retaining bar onto the rear window panel. Install the tailgate retainer bar. Start the rear window zippers and carefully pull the zipper around the window. Lastly, pull down on the bottom corners of the rear window and secure the fabric in the factory body channels.